Got a pretty good Twine project here with several passages. Right now it looks like this. One of my images is way too big. The text is black, the hyperlinks are all blue, visited hyperlinks are purple, but now I would like to customize it. I can use some basic CSS to customize the way the project looks. If we click on the bottom left and click Edit Story Style Sheet, I can add CSS code here. I recommend going to ohiofi.com, ohiofi.com/twine, and scrolling down to Twine CSS. On this page I have some basic CSS that can be used with Twine. Copy and paste this code into the Twine project, and then go through and edit it and customize it. Let's see what it looks like right now. You can see that it has automatically resized this picture. If I'd still like that picture to be smaller, I can go back to the CSS and find the max width, max height for images. Alright, now images won't get larger than 400 pixels. If I don't like the light blue to dark blue gradient, I can change that. Right here is where the background is set to light blue, and here are the gradients. Let's just make the background pink. Alright, let's make a few more changes to the CSS. One of my students always likes to change the font to their favorite Google font, which is called Indie Flower. In order to make this change, she changes Press Start 2P to Indie Flower. While we're here, let's change the text color to blue and give it a black shadow. Let's get rid of the border on the text box. And let's make it more transparent, 50% transparent. Increase the text size to 40 pixels, and when you hover over top of a link, instead of turning orange, it'll turn white. If instead of using a Google font, we want to use just a standard font, like Times New Roman, then we can get rid of this block of code where we're importing a Google font. Simply go down to Font Family, and we'll type in the name of the standard font, in this case, Times New Roman. One last thing, if I am creating a video game rather than just a web page, there's one last bit of CSS code. Do not display the undo button. Here's the undo button. For other games, you will not want them to be able to just back up and try something else. And just copy and paste this code and paste it into the story style sheet. I cannot press the back button or the back arrow.